Hello there. I've made tongs in all sorts of ways, and today I want to try something a little bit different and unique. Something I've been thinking about for a little while. Maybe this method can help those who struggle with tongs. I'm not sure. But I want to stress that if you purchase tongs from me, I won't use this way. This is more of an experiment than anything since I've never done this before. I want to thank my man Jerry S. Hodges. Once again, he's come through with a generous donation, and I really appreciate it. Thanks. It would help if this piece was longer, but this is the longest piece I had, about 20 inches in total length. I just touched these tong halves with my angle grinder, maybe for a minute. The pivot area is very thin, but it'll work for this tong. And given how it was made, it should be a very good fit. You can maybe see here that the back end of the jaws is touching before the front end, but I can remedy this. This is how I create some space at the back end of the jaws in order to allow the front ends to touch first. So there it is. This is an interesting tong style, makes a serviceable tong, and has potential to be improved upon. Given the pivot area, it has good strength to withstand pressure being applied on the handles, but its weakness lies in holding it flatwise since the pivot is fairly thin. Still, all in all, a good tong, which you might find useful. Catch you guys next time.